This is the unboxing to my Holtzman. Yeah, look at this. Wow, it is. Look at this. This is my paracord. That's something completely different, but nonetheless, we'll be making use of that. Look at this Holtzman. Another nice box.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. It's real nice.
Instructions tells you how to cut yourself. I mean, not cut yourself. How to sharpen your knife with a sharpening stone. That's unusual. You don't usually see that. Thank you from Holtzman. Survival. Oh, wow, isn't that nice, baby?
Yeah, that's nice.
Ooh. Feel the weight of that. See a few imperfections there, but I ain't worried about that. Oh. And that feels nice, though. That's what you look for.
Feels good in your hand.
Oh yeah, yeah, very good. Yeah. I put it off a little bit by the depth of the blade, though, the 1/8 inch. That seems to worry me a little bit, but you know, see the oil on it. It's the D2 steel. Adjustable. Little grain in the handle. Ferro rod. It's a heavy ferro rod too. Did you even know it came with that?
Mm-mm.
Oh, that's tight there. I won't use this though. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to do a lanyard.
Is that hard to get in? Will it come out easily?
Well, I don't know. Probably not. It's upside down. I don't like doing them like that, but you know. This is the striker that comes with it. And then the paracord. Now it has an adjustable wrench. You see the wrench? So that we can take this off and this, which is what I'm going to do, and use my paracord to make a lanyard for the ferro rod and the striker separately. So, oh yeah, she's rather sharp. That's what you do. That's pretty tight. This is what I liked about this one. That's one of the reasons why I got it to put on my backpack. Because I don't wear them on my hip that much. But you don't have to take the belt off to do it. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
That works. And then you can adjust this somehow. I'll have to look at the instructions to width of the belt if you need to. All right, Holtzman.